So we've come to a Toyota Corolla. It is a April 05, all keys lost. Just make keys to this car, program in 2 new keys for him, and we'll be done. Okay, so we've pulled the ECU, and it was in the transition between a 4D. So we just plugged it in. So the security light is on, flashing. We've got a standard key there. Put that there. Security light is flashing. Put the transponder there. Light goes out. Let's give it a start. And there we have it. So that's one transponder. We tried one. We'll try the other one now. Take that out. Wait for the light to go on. And it is. Get the other transponder. And there we have it. All keys lost. April 2005. Toyota Corolla 4C chip. All done. Thanks for watching.